Welcome to Southeast Technical Institute. This is our digital media production program. Let's see what our students have been up to. Oh, it looks like they're doing some work in Maya. To help track movements, it looks like Cody's taking advantage of the green screen. By using the green screen, you can create any environment you would like. For adding elements to your screen, softwares like Illustrator can help create vector-based images.
Control! Drop up. Okay!
This one's called Adobe's Audition. Adobe Audition is a software that is a complete multi-track digital audio recording software. It also allows mixing and editing sounds and files together, integrating them with other Adobe softwares. There's Matt working in Flash. Adobe Flash Professional is a powerful software for creating animations and multimedia content. You can design immersive, interactive experiences that present consistency across desktops, multiple devices including tablets, smartphones, and televisions. Just like many other Adobe softwares, after animating in Flash, you can import these files into our compositing software, After Effects. Adobe After Effects is a software that lets you deliver cinematic visual effects and motion graphics as you combine elements from multiple softwares to help you build your final version of your project.